Welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to beat the heat and create the perfect backyard oasis this summer, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into the top 3 best above-ground pools of 2024. Before we start, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell button. Number 1. Intex Easy Set Inflatable Swimming Pool. Welcome to your ultimate summer escape. Introducing the Intex Easy Set Inflatable Swimming Pool, the perfect addition to your backyard for endless fun and relaxation. Setting up your Intex Easy Set pool is a breeze. Simply spread it out on a level surface, inflate the top ring, and fill it with water. In just a few minutes, you'll be ready to dive in. The innovative design ensures quick and easy installation. No tools required. The pool's durable laminated PVC sidewalls provide excellent stability and strength, so you can enjoy worry-free swimming. With a spacious 8-foot diameter and 30-inch depth, there's plenty of room for the whole family to splash around and cool off on hot summer days. Whether you're hosting a pool party or enjoying a quiet afternoon with loved ones, the Intex Easy Set pool offers a perfect blend of relaxation and excitement. Let's take a closer look at some of the key features. Easy setup, inflate and fill in just 10 minutes. Durable materials, high-strength PVC for long-lasting use. Safety first, smooth edges and secure structure ensure a safe swimming experience. Included accessories, comes with a 110-120V crystal clear cartridge filter pump for clear, clean water. The included crystal clear cartridge filter pump keeps your water sparkling clean, so you can swim with confidence. Maintenance is a breeze with easy-to-replace filter cartridges. Whether you're an early riser or a night owl, the Intex Easy Set pool is perfect for any time of day. Enjoy refreshing swims under the sun or a calming dip under the stars. Make unforgettable memories this summer with the Intex Easy Set Inflatable Swimming Pool. Easy to set up, fun to use, and built to last. Get yours today and dive into endless summer fun. Number 2. Bestway Steel Pro Max Round Above Ground Pool Set. Get ready for the ultimate summer experience with the Bestway Steel Pro Max Round Above Ground Pool Set, your perfect backyard oasis for fun, relaxation, and unforgettable memories. Setting up your Bestway Steel Pro Max pool is simple and straightforward. With a step-by-step assembly guide and no tools required, you'll have your pool ready in no time. The robust steel frame, combined with our advanced seal and lock system trademark, ensures superior strength and durability. The Tritech trademark liner, made from 3-layer reinforced material, guarantees long-lasting use and resistance to punctures. With a spacious 18-foot diameter and 48-inch depth, the Bestway Steel Pro Max pool offers ample room for the entire family to swim, splash, and relax. Whether you're hosting a pool party or having a peaceful afternoon with loved ones, this pool is designed to bring joy and fun to every moment. Let's explore some of the standout features. Easy setup, no tools required for assembly. Durable steel frame, rust-resistant and robust. Tritech liner, 3-layer reinforced material for durability. Seal and lock system ensures secure and safe connections. Included accessories, comes with a filter pump, ladder, and pool cover. The included filter pump keeps your water clear and clean, while the sturdy ladder provides easy access. The pool cover ensures your pool stays protected when not in use. From morning swims to evening dips, the Bestway Steel Pro Max pool is perfect for any time of the day. Enjoy a refreshing swim under the sun or a relaxing soak under the stars. Create lasting summer memories with the Bestway Steel Pro Max Round Above Ground Pool Set. Built for fun, designed for durability, and perfect for every family gathering. Order now and transform your backyard into a summer paradise. Visit the link below to learn more and make your purchase today. Dive into endless fun with Bestway. Number 3. Script for Video, Intex Ultra XTR Frame Rectangular Pool Set. Welcome to a new level of luxury and fun with the Intex Ultra XTR Frame Rectangular Pool Set, the ultimate backyard edition for a summer full of excitement and relaxation. Setting up your Intex Ultra XTR frame pool is straightforward and hassle-free. With the easy-to-follow instructions and no special tools required, you'll have your pool up and ready in no time. The pool's robust galvanized steel frame, combined with our advanced inner and outer powder coating, ensures outstanding strength and durability. The premium quality, puncture-resistant 3-ply PVC liner guarantees long-lasting use and a sleek, stylish appearance. With its impressive size of 24 feet by 12 feet and a depth of 52 inches, the Intex Ultra XTR frame pool provides ample space for the whole family to swim, play, and relax. Whether you're hosting a pool party or enjoying a peaceful afternoon, this pool offers the perfect blend of fun and relaxation for everyone. Let's explore some of the standout features. Easy setup, no special tools required for assembly. Galvanized steel frame, rust-resistant and durable. Puncture-resistant liner, made from 3-ply PVC material. Dual suction outlet fittings, improve water circulation for better hygiene and clarity. Included accessories, comes with a 110-120V crystal clear sand filter pump, pool ladder, ground cloth, and pool cover. The included crystal clear sand filter pump keeps your water sparkling clean, while the sturdy ladder provides easy access. The ground cloth and pool cover ensure your pool stays protected and clean when not in use. From morning swims to evening dips, the Intex Ultra XTR frame pool is perfect for any time of the day. Enjoy a refreshing swim under the sun or a relaxing soak under the stars. Create unforgettable summer memories with the Intex Ultra XTR frame rectangular pool set. Engineered for strength, designed for style, and built for family fun. Order now and transform your backyard into a luxurious summer paradise. Visit the link below to learn more and make your purchase today. Dive into endless fun with Intex.